Yo my guys, today I'm going to show you how to install WordPress on your server. So we can do it simply using cPanel, because most of cPanels, I think all of cPanels has this feature, because it has software and application this feature already built on to the cPanel, so it will be so easy to install WordPress. So if your server don't have cPanel, you only need to I have video call install your WordPress to your local computer. Just follow same step. Only thing you need to upload your files to this server. After that you have to create your database on your server, so it will be so simple. So just watch that video. If you didn't get any idea about that, just let me know in comment section. I will create video for install WordPress manually in your server. So let's get started. This is my WordPress script, so I just click on WordPress. Okay, after that we get something like this. We get Windows something like this, so I click on install now. Yep, install now. After that I can choose version you want to install. I will put this as default version. After that I need to select my domain, so my domain name is lazyfullstackdeveloper.com. after that I don't need directory, I need this on my main website domain root. So currently I don't need to set any site name or site description. And enable multi, what is that? I don't have any idea, I just leave it as it. After that I need to create password, so password then username. My username will be admin, and I will add a password. What is my password? Let me create some password and I will add it on here. Okay boys, I create password. So after that I have to set admin email. Currently I don't have admin email because why? I still didn't config email settings, so I don't have admin email, but I have Gmail. So my Gmail is lazyfullstackdeveloper@gmail.com. I will add it as my email account. After that I will select language as English. Those I will be put it as same, because I will upload my own website to this WordPress template, so I'm not going to care about those kind of stuff. So now I just click on install. It will be installed within few minutes, within 3-4 minutes. Oh, it's already installed. Okay, we are good to go. So let's check our website look like. This is our website look like. So I am currently at lazyfullstackdeveloper.com. oh yeah, and this is our WordPress admin panel. Okay, now we are talking. Okay, great. So we are just install our WordPress to our domain or our server. So I will see you in next video, and bye bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, if you like this video, feel free to share the video. Okay, I will see you in next video. Bye.